Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today, we will manage a shopping list and we will identify how much money we're going to spend. Let's go! First thing, we will format the table, adding all borders and coloring the top row with fill color in gray. Well done! Now pause the video and insert the data provided inside the table. Both the prices and the quantities. Excellent! Let's calculate the costs of each ingredient by multiplying the price with the quantity. We start the formula with equal. We select the price, we press the times key, select the quantity and finish with enter. Then we apply the formula to the other ingredients by dragging down the fill handle. Also, you could double-click on the fill handle to do it quicker. For the total, we will use the AutoSum shortcut, clicking on the cell, selecting sum from the AutoSum shortcut, selecting manually the range of cells, and finishing the formula with enter. Now we want to create a graph to compare the costs of each ingredient, and we need to select only the first column with the ingredients' names, and the last column with the ingredients' costs. Press F11 and it will create the chart in a new tab. Make sure you included the headings, otherwise the graph will be difficult to read without any references. Let's rename the chart tab, right-clicking on the tab and selecting Rename. Then move the chart tab after the Shopping tab. There you go. Well done! Don't forget to save your work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.